Welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. Today we are revisiting an old video, a video I made way back in July or August. A viewer pointed out to me that I incorrectly set up the Pluto Trigger laser test. So I set out to redo it and I misplaced my laser, but I have relocated it, so it's time to take another look at this. So in the original video, I put the laser on the main sensor in the middle of the trigger. Okay, so in that main video, or in the original video, I had the laser on here, and it worked, but not super well. I found, or my viewer pointed out to me, that it needs to be lined up on this dot right here. So, I've lined it up on there. Let's see if we can get some better results. Okay, so what we have here is I have the laser set up over here on this miniature GorillaPod. I have the Pluto Trigger set up here on the regular sized GorillaPod, and I have the Pluto Trigger plugged directly into my Canon 40D and the remote switch port. So, what we're looking for here is when I break the beam, we're just trying to get the camera to fire a shot. So that's our objective here. I have the app set up here. You can see on this you can adjust the sensitivity and all of that fantastic stuff for the laser. So if you're in a situation where you need more sensitivity out of it, there you go. You can adjust that. You can also delay the shot if you want to, but just for the sake of testing this out, I don't really see any need to do that. Basically, we're just proving the concept here to make sure that everything works, and then once we have the concept, you can take the information gathered and go on and attempt more robust and exciting things like shooting things with pellets and capturing the carnage. But we're not doing that today. Today we're just proving the concept and seeing what happens. So let's, without further ado, let's get started, guys. We're going to go ahead and push play on the app, and then that activates it. Let's see if we can get this thing to go. Boom! Nailed it. First try. That was awesome. There it goes again. So what I have found is that there's a timer around here. So you can see the line thickens. It will not take another shot until that is gone. But I don't know if you can hear the camera firing off back there or not, but it is incredibly accurate. It goes off every single time as long as it's in outside of the buffer period. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to take this tennis ball and I'm going to throw that across the beam. Hopefully I don't miss, and see if that works. So here we go. It worked. So my aim was good enough that it actually worked. So there you have it, folks. The proper setup for the Pluto Trigger laser. Thanks to my viewer who pointed that out to me. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.